Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to clean Ecovacs Deebot N10. First open the lid and switch off this button. Now the robot is off. Before cleaning, please make sure this is off. This round symbol is off. Now lift the machine from charging dock. Now open the lid and this is the dustbin where dusts are collected over here. Darts are collected, and just lift this handle and pull it out and see how much dirt it has accumulated over here. We need to clean this. For that, just press this switch and pull this lid outward and see these all darts have been accumulated over here. You can easily empty this tank. Now the tank has been emptied. Just wipe it with a clean cloth. Over of this dustbin there is a filter net over here. Now you can easily find this brush over here. Lift it off and we have to clean this filter by using this brush. Like this we have to clean it, because there are pores. The dirt sticks to these pores. Now on the other side of this filter net there is one antibacterial filter. Now easily by your finger lift it, it will be opened. Now here you can see the antibacterial filter. The same way you have to clean it with the brush. Remember, cleaning is very essential to get a long lasting machine, and all these parts we have to change after 6 months. Then at the other side of the filter net you can clean from this side. After cleaning is done, then attach this antibacterial filter and place the dustbin in proper place. Push it a little and push the handle. It will be set. Next you have to close it and turn the machine on another side. Here you can find 3 brushes. This is the main brush. These two are side brushes. To clean the main brush, you have to just push these buttons in the arrow direction inwards, and after pushing it, it is opened, and just lift it. Then lift this main brush up. See how much dirt there is. Now clean all the darts and the hairs which are stuck with it. And clean all the brushes thoroughly. Clean the rubber pads a little bit. Now after you clean it properly, it should look like a new one. Then attach this where it was previously. Close this with this cover. Now check it by pulling it. It is not coming out. That means it's locked. Now going forward to the side brushes. These are two side brushes. Pull any arms upward like this. It will come out. Now you have to clean all these individual brushes like this. Now after you have completed cleaning these two brushes, it should look like a new one, and see there are two colors, red and green. Now you have to clean all these individual brushes like this. Now after you have completed cleaning these two brushes, it should look like a new one, and see there are two colors, red and green. The red one should be attached in this red side. Push it. There will be one sound, that means it's attached. Similarly, the green one on the green side. Attached. There are altogether 3 wheels. These 3. And this is the front one. You have to check thoroughly whether any hairs are stuck over here or not beside the wheel. It's, I think, clear for now. If there are hairs, you have to remove those with help of this blade. Okay. Now you have to clean the wheel to run the wheel smoothly. This wheel helps to spin actually. Now when coming to these wheels, please check the sides over here, clean the sides of the wheels. And what you have to do is clean these station pins, docking station pins with a clean cloth, and these anti-drop sensors as well. On back side, all the tasks are completed. Now rotating in front side, of clean cloth, clean these sensors and the front glass. Then put this multi-purpose tool in place. And close the cover. Now if you use this mopping one, please empty the water from here, from the tank, and turn it. Clean this cloth by washing. After doing all this, your robot is totally cleaned, and insert this here. But make sure if you insert this over here, it will mop. But if you detach it from here, it will only sweep. The final step is to clean this charging station dock pins and put back the machine in proper place. Then start this robot by using this switch. If you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.